Okay, so we're gonna play shoot and score, and so to set up for this game, ideally you would have 3 people, but if you have an odd number in your group, then you could have 4 people in a group. And so the way that it works is that one person will start with the ball. You're gonna shoot between the feet of the partner in front of you. Whether you score or not, then you'll swap spots with that person, and then you continue to play. So the idea behind this game is our team wants to score as many goals as we can, so we want to make sure that we're providing an opportunity for that to happen each time. So this game is great when you're practicing a skill. You can use this for rolling or for kicking, but in a small space, you actually get a lot of opportunity to kick the ball over and over again. So that's one of the keys for using this activity. So we're going to switch spots. Ready? Oh. Wait, pick it first. Alright, so you want to trap the ball. The next progression for this is now we're going to work on creating a balance. So if you have one person in the middle, one person will make a balance. Because you have 2, now the 2 people are going to work together. You could either make a balance together or you could be individually, but the job is that now you're making a goal that's shaped differently. So you can kind of think about playing like mini golf or something like that, that you're making a way for the ball to go through. And then we'll just swap again, the same partner will swap. Ready?